crank removal and installation tutorial. Prepare the components. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the pedal of the e-bike. Rotate clockwise to remove the e-bike pedal. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the crank fixing bolt. Rotate the tool screw counterclockwise until it is flush with the inner side. Rotate clockwise to install the provided tool. Use a wrench to turn the screw clockwise to push the crank out. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the tool. Remove the crank. Install the new crank and tighten the fixing screw clockwise. Install the chain. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the crank fixing bolt. Rotate clockwise to install the provided tool. Use a wrench to turn the screw clockwise to push the crank out. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the tool. Install the new crank and tighten the fixing screw clockwise. Tighten the left pedal by turning it to the left, counterclockwise. Tighten the right pedal by turning it to the right, clockwise.